Steal. Out of bounds.
Sino nakashoot dun dito sa kabila? Anong kulay ng jersey?
Score 7-2.
Set mo na kasi.
9 na. Sino nakashoot? Paroy. 9-2. Mets. 15 seconds to shoot. Steal by Paroy.
Set mo pala.
No good. Rebound by Sean.
Idol ko yan sa Otega.
One.
Otega.
2 points. Small. Two points.
Oh, yari kay Sir Pap.
Flat jersey. Mon. Pass to Rain. Jumper. Rain Bananas. No good. Rebound by Mets. Pass to Mikey. Mikey. 2 points.
Mikey Calvo.
Score 11-8. 3-point lead by Team C. 2 points. Flat jersey.
Wala pa yun sa amin yun, di ba yung una?
Wala yan.
Tumon.
Ba't si kagad?
15 seconds to shoot.
Wala, yung A and B. Ulitin natin. Second game kasi.
10 seconds to shoot to Mikey. Wow.
Set mo.
Mikey Calvo.
5 minutes and 40 seconds. Score 13-8. 13-8 in favor of Team C. Team Donja. To Mikey. Pinilit. Airball. To Mikey again. Mikey. No good. Rebound by Donja. To Serpa. Nalaka. Jamuran. No good. Serban pa rin. 2 points. Flat jersey. Nalaka. Jamuran.
Jamuran! Tayo, dalakdak yan, Sir Pat.
Mon.
Sir Pat.
Super shot. No good. Rebound by Mikey. Block by Adrian. To Mon. Last possession before change. Last possession.
Shot clock, 5 seconds.
5 seconds to shoot. Reset. Rebound by. Good. Reset.
Set mo, Chano.
Donja all alone taking 3. Hey, pink lang pala. Reserva. No good. Rebound by Sean. To Mikey. Mikey. To Sean. 83. Change score na po. Score 15-11. 4-point lead. 4-point lead by Team C. Donja team. 3 points by Sean. Good ball. Paroy, all along sa ilalim. 2 points. Paroy, umali. Wala pa na tayo laro this week ha. This week. Next week ulit after rundas. Mga bros. Sa liga, 2 points.
Papawis meron.
Mikey, Mets. Pumawis meron Friday. Meron tayo Friday ulit. Sa liga, wala muna. Pagkasa ng undas. Adrian, take 3. Nogi, rebound by Paroy. Steal by Mets. Rain. Wagad ng pasa. 2 points. Sean. 2-point lead by Team C.
Ay, sakto. Ay, 6 pa na kayo. Sakto.
10 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Monmon. Now, steal by number 18. Jaime. Donja all alone, take 3. Donja. Score 20-15. 5-point lead. Team Donja.
Maganda saan dyan? Parang KQ. Oh!
10 seconds to shoot.
Knockdown.
4 seconds to shoot. No good. Table by out of bounds. Bola lang. Ayun bola. Bola lang Team D. Score 20-15.
Bakal pa lang.
2 minutes and 3 seconds. Sean taking 3. Sean Ortega. 2 na lang, 1 minute and 50 seconds. Babawi kaya? No good. Limo by Ray. To Monmon. To Sean. 20, 18. All 20. Deadlock, all 20. Mets. 2 points. Pat Jersey. 22-20.
Scorer, baba sa ilog. Scorer.
Wala ilog. Patay mo.
1 minute 18. No good. Ikaw by Donja. 22-20. Lamang ang team Donja. Donja, ang ganda pasa. 2 points. Pat Jersey. Assist by Donja.
Still by Baroy.
Steal by Baroy. Baroy is steal by Monmon. 55 seconds. Steal by Donja. Wow.
Kalaw dito.
48 seconds remaining. 15 seconds shot clock. 15 seconds. Number 80. To Donja. 10 seconds to shoot.
Uy, expensive.
2 points! Donja! Parang lalo ka dun ah. D-Wade ah. Login, di mo ba Mikey? Login! To Mikey again! 2 points! Mikey! 20 seconds, shot ako! 2 points! Baroy!
Di pwede pag nakasapatos.
15 seconds. Shot ako.
5 seconds.
Foul.
5 seconds.
5.
5 seconds. Shot ako. 5 seconds. Score 28-22. 6-point lead by Team C.
Good.
Good ball. 3 seconds. 3. End of the second game. Score 28-25 in favor of Donja. Next game. Kayo pa rin, Sir Pat. Kayo pa rin, Sir Pat.